to my channel. I'm Kenzie Ma. Of course, if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. To my subscribers, my real ones, what's up? And I see all the new subscribers coming in. Welcome, welcome to the real ones world over here. I'm gonna get right into this video. So as y'all know, I have a lot of stuff from Shein. I have stuff, I'm gonna do a video to show you guys all of the items that I've purchased from Shein that I still wear a year or two later. Like I wear my Shein clothes, okay? So regardless of how people feel, if you know how to shop Shein, you will get items that will last you a long time, especially if you take care of your clothes. So whether I spend $10 for a piece or whether I spend $100 for a piece or more, I take care of my clothes the same way. But I'm going to show you a couple of tops. If you've been following me on Instagram, you would have already seen the other two tops that I'm going to put on. This is a new one. So we're going to talk about this. But first, I'm going to start with these slacks, because I don't believe I showed these when I did my blazer video. I think I just did the black pants. But these are some slacks that I picked up from Shein. Really, really nice. If you're new to the channel, I'm 5'5", and I normally wear a size 2X 1820 US, okay? Pick these slacks up. I have on the royal blue Suedette shoes, which I will try to remember to put a picture, an insert, so you guys can see these shoes. I highly recommend them. I have them in black also. And if you've been watching me for a minute, you know I've told you, you need to get these shoes, girl. You need these shoes. But back to these pants. So I know everyone doesn't like to wear everything really, really fitted like I like most of my clothes for the most part, especially pants. I have some pants that I ordered from Shein. You guys will see in a later video where the ones I got, they were okay, but they weren't fitting the way I wanted them to fit. So I had to go back and order a smaller size so they can fit the way I expected them to fit. But these I really, really like. These are comfortable. You don't have to do anything. I unbutton them, unzip them, slid them right up, and they almost look like they were made for my body. I mean, they really, these pants fit very nicely, very nicely. And for the price is right, okay? Now, if you're someone, I'm not wearing any shapewear, if you're someone that, as I always say, a lot of people are like concerned with their fupa, their stomach, while I'm over here like la la land, honey, because I don't care. But if you are concerned about that, having pleats like this in the front of your pants really gives you some camouflage in a sense. You know what I mean? It kind of just smooths it out a little bit with the extra material. That's why we love ruching on this channel. Ruching really helps you really conceal a lot of stuff, okay? So very nice, very, very nice pants, very comfortable. They don't have pockets, which I'm fine with that. When you're very hippie like me, if the pockets are not in the right place, you're like, why did you even put these pockets on these pants or this skirt, dress, whatever? So sometimes when the pockets are not there on pants, though I love pockets, I'm still cool with that, because yeah, I don't need to be wider here. I got everything I need right here, okay? So that's that. And this shirt is lovely. So most of my shirts like this normally don't have material here, so I'm able to either have the right shoulder out or the left shoulder. In this case, as you can see, it has this pretty bow here, which I happen to like. I don't like all bows. It has to be a certain aesthetic for me. But I really, really like this bow. I think it's really cute, a nice feminine touch to the bow. And in this case, I can only have the left shoulder out, which I'm fine with that as well. So very, very nice. Now, the question was, would I wear this together? Now, I'm so matchy-matchy, and I'm like, I just think like if these were a different type of green, maybe I wouldn't necessarily wear this blue with this green. Maybe a much, I mean, this is kind of a dark green, but even darker than this. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't look horrible. Some of y'all might like this look. I'm just saying, for me, I wouldn't necessarily put this together. But if this was all I had to wear, I'm going, okay? Wherever I'm going, I'm still going. And what really ties it together are these Suedette pumps from Shein. Very, very nice. When I say this royal blue is like everything, it's everything. So me, the typical me, would have this top on with maybe a different shade of blue, black, even white. Just not this. And I don't know if I would feel like that if I had yellow pants on or gold pants. I don't know. I really, really can't determine that. But this is the shirt from the side. And this is the back. I love how open the back is. I love that. Really, 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 really nice. So I'm going to get into the next shirt. I'm going to keep these pants on and these same shoes on the whole time. But let's get into the next shirt. I love the shirt. I love the shirt. This one is definitely a winner. Blue is one of my new favorite colors like over the last 2 years. Love this shirt. So let's go next. Okay, y'all. So here is shirt number 2, which I love. But it's actually a little... I can't really explain it. Yes, I can. It's a little too big. It has a little too much material up here. And I could have sworn I sized down in this. I'll have my sizes in the description box. But I could have sworn I sized down in this. Okay. But normally I don't get outfits with sequins on them because they tend to be prickly and uncomfortable on the skin. This one, I feel nothing on my skin. So they cut it off right where they should. Okay, so I feel nothing on my skin, and that is definitely a plus for Shein. I cannot stand a material that's rough on my skin. I don't care how pretty it is. I don't want it. Very, very nice. Very, very me. This is for the girlies that, you know, you want a little more skin out. This would be something that you would like. It zips up in the back, but because it's so big on me, all I had to do was pull this over my head. But it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I would need this in a smaller size, actually. Like I said, look at all this extra material just flapping here. And I am almost questioning if a smaller size is going to make a difference, because it's barely covering down here. I have these pants are high-waisted, so you can see it's coming way up. But I can feel my half bra down here. I don't know. I really like it. And I think that what I would do is, when it's cooler, wear this with maybe a black blazer, you know what I'm saying? Because this definitely still gives some pop. This definitely still gives, like, okay, the bright light is in the room, okay? Okay, the glitter and glam is in the room. So I really, really like this one. It's not a bralette, y'all. Looks like a bralette, but it's not. And it's very comfortable. So I would not advise you to size up unless you're much heavier up top than I am, because like I said, I have excess material here, and I thought I sized down, but again, the sizes will be down below. Normally with Shein I wear a 3XL, which is a size 18 US. So I don't remember what size I got in this, but it's very pretty. Let me get closer. Look at this. This is a whole statement piece. What I would love to do is like have some matching earrings that would match this top perfectly. I would love that. Really, really pretty. And like I said, it's not bothering me. It's not going to be scraping your arms. You're not going to be scarred up at the end of the night. Okay, very nice. And I like this blue with this screen. Now this I can do. So maybe it wasn't the pants, maybe it was the blue. Okay, this darker blue, and I think because it has some black in it, it kind of tones it down. So I don't mind wearing this with this color green. So that's this one. Let's get into the last shirt. Let me know what you guys think about these tops, and definitely let me know which one was your favorite. Again, if you haven't, go on and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, girl, come on. This is the time to get up in here with us, okay? All right. Cute, cute. Some work. I know some of y'all are probably seamstress. Like, girl, just sew that up. Girl, I haven't sewn anything in a long time. But let's go to the next shirt. Okay, ladies, we are at shirt number 3, and this is, out of the other 2 that I've shown you, this is my favorite. It's my favorite because this green I love. I would actually wear this with these pants. This green doesn't bother me. It kind of flows for me. So this color combination I definitely would approve. These motorcycles, y'all. But anyway, this combination I would definitely approve. And as I was telling you guys before, a lot of the shirts that I have like this, I can either have this shoulder out or this shoulder. You can flip this shirt right around. And I don't know if Shein got a tag in here, honey. They be doing that sometimes with no tags. Wait, I feel a tag on the side. But they have a lot of pieces where you can wear it either way. You'll have it on wrong and not even know it. But I do like that because, believe it or not, some people prefer one arm out over the other or one shoulder out over the other. This is my dominant hand, my right hand, so I tend to go with this side. But I'm okay when I had that blue shirt on and it was covering up the left arm. I was fine with that as well. But very, very nice. Let me get closer. See the green, honey? All the glitz and glam. This is what I'm about. The glitz and glam is what I live for, okay? Very nice, very comfortable. This one has more coverage on the back, ladies. If the other one, even the blue one, was too much for you, this one, as you can see, has more coverage. This one is more elegant. And the sleeve is giving the business, okay? The sleeve is giving, I love this sleeve. I think this is what caught my attention when I initially got this. And I like that type of shine. Like, I don't like all things. It depends. Like, I don't like everything shining and and looking crazy. But I like this. It's done very well. This is something, when you walk into a space, this is going to, as I'm looking in the mirror, it's giving off like this glitter effect. And it's really pretty. It's not giving off a glitter effect. Look, it's like I gotta adjust. Do I need a smaller size in this one too? Nah, I wouldn't go any small. Because it's very comfortable on my arms. Like, if you have thick arms like me, honey, this is comfortable right here. So I'm not willing to risk going down a size to have my arm feeling uncomfortable. I mean, it's actually extra room in here, but I feel comfortable, so this is the size I'm gonna stick with. But definitely, it looks nice, and you won't look like you're actually in like a childish piece. You know what I'm saying? It's cut very well. It's nice and lightweight. On a humid, hot day, I'm not recommending you have this shirt on because you still have this whole arm covered, and it may make you a little warmer than you want to be. But this is the last shirt. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. And I think this is my favorite because I feel like I could just do so much with this shirt. I don't know. I just feel like I would pair this with many more items than those other shirts, which the blue one, I'll say the blue one would come in second. The blue one with the bow, and then of course the sequin. I will have to work with that. But this is the mini haul, honey. The mini, I have to split my stuff up. I have a lot of stuff. And the way that I'm going to be doing my videos are going to be more concentrated on a particular thing or style. I may have one of those long videos where I'm giving you multiple pieces. But in my head, I just feel like this communicates the pieces more to you guys. Like, you're not overloaded with, you know, what should I get, what did I like by the time the video ends. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm still gonna, y'all know I like to do a long video, okay, because there will be some more long videos. But when I see like, oh, I have these 3 tops here, you know, maybe one of my real ones out there trying to figure out what kind of top she can get from Shein or wherever else I shop, where, you know, there's some options. That's what I want to be doing on this channel, giving you options, giving you different ways to wear things. So this to me is like a casual, I mean a pretty, I call these business casual pants, but I understand that people do wear these type of pants out as well. But I'm just gonna keep it real. I mean, I would wear this, but the Mimi, I'm gonna have on something much more fitted at the bottom just to bring this all together. But I could do this. Don't get me wrong, I can still pull this off. So I thank you all for watching. This is Candy Ma, of course. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and until the next video, peace out.